Hello everyone, it's Jean from the Inky Owl Studio. I have to apologize for my voice today. I've been struggling with the flu for the past few weeks and just can't seem to get my voice back. So I'm going to do the best I can with this journal share. And this is a tall and skinny French document journal that I've been working on. It is 10.5 inches long and 4.25 inches wide. And what's the difference between this and a TN traveler's notebook size is that there's a lot more writing space because you're actually using the whole page and not cutting it off. It is it's closed by this lovely lace cover. I have sewn with some vintage buttons onto the sides here to attach the seam binding. And it just comes off like that, and it's just sort of there to keep everything kind of neat together. And so it's in a French blue cover, which has been doubled with some cardstock. And on the inside is a flip-out pocket, and it has a lovely lady in blue. It's right here in this pocket. And we'll just put the lace over there. And inside is a linen pocket with some lace and a stamp on a butterfly. And some more journaling cards tucked inside right there. There is another little pocket for you to store some things you want to store here on the inside. And we'll get started. It is a combination of digital paper, vintage paper, tea stain paper in here. I have some digital wallpaper, which I really enjoy, and that's put in here throughout. Here is a little altered journaling card. A little digital Paris photo, little collaging, a tuck spot with a couple of little journaling cards tucked up inside there, and a receipt, some tea stain paper, some more collaging, some lace. Some of the pages have lace down the side of them, some vellum paper, and a pink receipt here. I've distressed the edges of a lot of this paper and a lot of the ephemera that goes in it. Here's a lovely lady photograph, and tucked inside is this aged digital receipt. Oops, I think we're closing up. There you go. Here's a lovely collage paper. This is from the Graphics Fairy here on their premium site. Here's a vintage book page. A little bit of collaging at the bottom. And some more tea stain paper, another vintage nature book. And here is a belly band that is kind of a collaged belly band with a little crocheted lace up there, and a journaling card here tucked on the inside. Here's a lovely little photograph again. Some music paper, vintage music paper, another aged receipt. If you'd like to know how I age these receipts, I will link down below a video where I show you how I do that. And some more papers. Here is a lovely wedding picture with some lace on it. And put inside this little tuck spot. Some more of that digital wallpaper. Very pretty. And here's the center. I really love this. I thought this was a lovely place that you may want to put photographs or something special here. And I have, again, I'll show you the little bead charms I put on the end from a vintage earring. Here is a little belly band with a couple of little cards on the inside. This flips out. And another journaling card with another receipt. Here I threaded a ribbon through a piece of lace and sewed it here on the side. Very pretty. More collaging, a glassine envelope. Music. Here is an altered tag. Using a receipt for the background and putting this cute lady there. Some more collaging here at the bottom of this pocket. And clipped into here is a little notebook or a little paper pad or whatever with some little writing opportunities, a little piece of cloth for a topping. And some more of the back pages of what I've shown you. Here is a glassine envelope, flips open, and here is the card that goes in there. With another card tucked inside that. A piece of lace. Other side of that marriage certificate. And here is another card with some collaging here up here on top. A lovely photograph and journaling card inside this fussy cut pocket. This is just a lovely, lovely journal. I just enjoyed making it so much. And beautiful for yourself as a gift. And this will be available in my Etsy shop. And I will link down below as well a few videos on when I did craft alongs and putting this together. So thank you so much for viewing. I appreciate it. Please hit the like button, and I will be back with you hopefully with a better voice. Thank you so much. Bye.